Just on Bassac Street now. Gonna take a look, see what it's saying. Hey, look, kebab again. Got pizza. Italian, hello. The pixel bar. Can. Nice little bar here, nice and cool as well. Dumpling and noodles. A pizza spot. Look at this little spot here, this looks nice. This is, don't know what it's called. It's nice though. Oh, there it is. Batamuku. Nice little spot here, nice and breezy. I'm sure it's nice late on a Saturday night. Real nice vibe in there. Look at this apartment block. This is lovely, just above the bar. It's really nice, isn't it? Got Big Mama here. Big Mama Pizza. Also do some calzones as well. Watch your back. It looks cool in there. Nice little firewood oven. Got a Thai kitchen as well. Yeah, it's a nice little strip. It's quite small, but got a few bits and pieces, nice restaurants, a few bars. I'm sure the right night, yeah, you have a good time. Some nice apartment blocks though, very modern. Some massive ones. It's a flag, by the way. It's only about 5:15 and this place opens from 5, so it is early. So there's more spots down the side that will open up a bit later on. So yeah, it's not a true reflection of where this place is. Tapas place here, certified from Spain, alright. Got a few more spots down the side here as well. Got a pub, look at this. Got a proper little pub, like a mini pub, that's cool. Like a library and a bar, very nice. A gossip room, margaritas, cocktail place, yeah. A little secluded bars and that down the back road. Got a tattooist and piercings here too. It reminds me a bit of like a Shoreditch. Got a Shoreditch vibe there. Yeah, so like I was saying earlier, we're here early, so I think later we'll be busy because it's a Friday. So I think from about 8 should be lively, much more that's going on here. But for now it's okay still, but it's just beginning. So yeah, come later. And you even got some banh mi over there. Well, it's not called a banh mi here, but the Vietnam would be. So just here at the Cambodia Genocide Museum. And there was between 12 and 20,000 people that are bought here and only 12 known survivors, which sounds crazy to me. Very mad. Not much at all. These are some of the only survivors, as far as they know, pictured here. And look at the numbers. The latest estimate number of victims who died, 18,063. Of the victims, 8 adults and 4 children are known to have survived. From left to right. Yeah, look, that's crazy, right? Not much at all. That's a tribe hotel right there. Last day in Phnom Penh and last day in Cambodia. Next stop, the Philippines. Yeah, look at that. It's a lovely view, right? It's about 6:30 p.m. It's still about 32 degrees. We'll take a little boat ride along the delta. Nice evening for it. A lot of families and kids and stuff chilling, taking in the view. Friday evening. The New Year's coming up here in a couple of days' time. So lots of celebrations are going to start going on. So the New Year in Cambodia begins from between the 14th and 16th of April. So lots of celebrations that are going on here. So just in a little park area where they celebrate it, and the celebrations begun already. Look at that, it's cool, right? So the New Year's celebrations begin here in Cambodia between the 14th and 16th of April. Kima, I believe it's pronounced, begins that kind of time period. So yeah, got lots going on here. Parties, celebrations. Hey, just got a few little, I guess, stands or whatever it is, showcasing different bits and pieces that reflect the new year here. Lots of families come to celebrate, tourists, etc. Yeah, I'm sure closer to the date there'll be more going on. Today it's only like the 10th, so it's just beginning really, but it starts a bit earlier. But yeah, you can see a lot of stands there have not been set up yet. So I'm sure on the actual day it's going to be proper busy here and a lot going on. We've got a big temple up there. Let's take a look. And look, it's sponsored by Coca-Cola. Of course, they're involved with everything. Check it out. Let's check out this serpent, this king cobra. Yeah, look at that though, very nice, right? Yeah, they decorate the place up lovely. So we're in the centre of Phnom Penh. Then you got look, the golden serpent. Yeah, very cool. And it costs $1 to enter. That's for tourists, for locals it's free. But it's $1, so who cares? It's fine.